Baby Adorye. Amen. Me say, obia to me no.
Na mo frɛ wontumi.
Who to be say friend Napo?
Who WONTUMI?
Is that to be just say your prescriber no?
Who WONTUMI?
I'm blocking accounting now.
Oh, na sa accounting ya block. Na ndwe ni nwan ne ngugo no ya block.
Ese ga na go go na ndwe ne ngugo no.
Na bi na say wo no. Ah.
Who to be na offer?
Sure, Ejimba loan or the farm zo.
Fabian.
Who WONTUMI?
Who to be tell me? Who tell me baby at the farm wo. Na wa tebu wa mante me makohoda.
Ah.
Muchaso.
Yesi nwan pa ne na
ndwe. Nwan. I confirm no who be grada. Well, who be that?
Adai. Menya Ghana ni bio.
Oh yeah, Faransi ni.
Ghana ko mo sori yo.
All right, and bronya, I mean, gidi ya. Maybe one man find a personal, but I be the personal. The personal. And Richie because I grada.
Hey,
I was so chill.
no here.
I got that so chill pa.
Yeah, me be pet ebra kwasra no.
Oh, kwato gari ko. Why?
Me to gari, me to dian yankasa.
Oh, that's a gari adian.
Gari dey say Nigeria for dian.
Until the bones are rotten.
Once again I need dig gari o ha. Oh, wana hear me na manya adian ni. But oko Nigeria sika for dian.
Yes. Yes.
Eti se Nigeria ni jira na ka se hia wo di gari a o hwe woni mu di. That go temu na di gari wo.
Ka se ko Nigeria di bane palava sauce and chicken wings.
Yeah.
Oh,
almost so mo ye different.
Yes.
Nti na kama. Ghana ne yenhye da ni mu ye.
Nti wada for grada so chia.
Ya meje na so pa. Me bompa ya ma ne se obenya hoden na. Eja bibia ti. Bibia ti ni akoso kama.
Never say die
until the bones are rotten. Until the bones are rotten. Hey. Nana utie ni akoso wo Prophet Bernard.
Now, sorry. Honestly speaking, my who videos no circulate social media by me agency. Nipa, I think say by chance me see any day na homachi before say baba juma this is it Jesus ahofe wabahada not maybe now see I'm say captain the interview no yeah okay. I remember
okay
ono the commitment here
Bernard there no
oh no say
no mo wa me say omo share Alan picture omo share and I'm sending man as upon say what happened I know so sorry I know sending me link no
link of
Bernard.
Okay.
Ne service enra. I know say ne vision awunyaye baako 3. Na and spiritual realm no abofo ewo ho a wo mo ehwe obiazo.
Okay.
Group. And Onua TV say mo obofo a wo hwe mo so.
Yes.
Ti mo bofo no bufu pe. Moniama ni na ba ko off. Emre bia mo make sure. Mo make sure say obo for no bumfu.
Ni mo ka free dey anta frame.
Ereja, what if vision onya no? Bo for no hwe MPP so no. E be da no ho adi kire no.
Okay.
Anu o ka kire ni say there was a covenant to be in 2007.
Okay. Apam.
Yeah.
Between NPP and Safo no.
Yeah.
I
mean within NPP mu nie see ye.
Oh, okay.
When say 2007 ana Akufo-Addo ne Alan omo contest ne ye great pa.
Sure.
Na yese asem bia di pa do ano be ka to fom bia no. Sa asem no eye adwuma e wo Nyankopɔn nim.
That's true.
Eti ebra Akufo-Addo Alan eje mu ma no na wonya yese so omo call run off. Na Alan so hwe e ka omo be bo tension e be ba division ni ade. Okay, maminya ma udi manim. Eti no ya. Wa wo be kasa no na o san share bo say.
Ofri ho no.
Ne ala ya ma no no. Eye na ni so efe. Ono wa anye bia ma je kufo se majamu ama. But je kufo ban ho be ka chen say young man. me do penny as a semi quans waba, and you come after me. Eti de Alan ya mano no. Alan, you come after me. Eye seed, e won Nyankopon anim.
Yeah.
Na fe dru baby. Na ye ya, no akwakotai ni pafofro achi.
Say Harry Maguire no.
Na che say bo she na wo she wo Nyankopon anim no. Wabu so.
Hey, then that's why you from her.
Me say e ho punishment e be bad wo. Wo di ya wetre. She e be na de say. Nipa no okokotai da chi no. Emfa. Until say Allah be di president okrom ha no. Say nipa no ni president ni be da.
Until say Alan be ye mampanyin okrom ha.
O be ye o ma o be di president okrom ha.
Bawumia o ye president.
Da. O pa mo fa na 100 times. O be 100 times. Adwoa ka say ne wo hu no. Wo hu say nkuguo no ebeto aso be ye 3 or 4.
I see.
Debbie, that
is if only somebody Dr. Bawumia ba.
That's right.
MP Beko so away sir.
Or by Risa.
And I want a big gap.
So, what's a metra them has a say MPP.
Yeah.
Baby, I'm do my channel. Lose 4 consecutive elections. Because we are or more cheche me near the other. The time they will realize to come to me, no. Now you're too late for them.
I want a big guy.
Now, brother, do my channel. Me nya dey nsi o. Me surprise ni po.
O dey me be a question.
Obi. Say me boss ma me catch you straight. Say hey, me be boss wo jira wa me bom.
O dey me be a question.
I have spent money on that.
Oh really?
Oh, nothing.
I want a big guy.
Me crack to ho bibia to ho age power ma. Ah, enye nipa ba ko na je power. But nipa ba ko bi betima ye bibia.
Yeah.
Eba bibia eba.
That's true. Yeah.
The what jina sa de ne so ade makwa kwhye cells. And you think I'll be quiet? Me say Nyankopon on the tie oni bi asemo.
I know no correct.
Yeah? Me say in the cells me kasem bi na sem no me kai bia still am ye mo hye me.
Wo na o kasem.
Me na me ka jo. Ombe suffer brutal.
Wow.
Ombe suffer. Me say at the end of it, 2019, openi bi e kasem bi kire me wo yitamale. Me mo bro no. Ano ka kire me say nkwala bi di party nanimu a decision bi ombe take no. Party no mo mpenifo ni bi be free mu akọ. Na o makọ akote o mu party. Enu achi no. Ombesa take another decision. A big party no say to. 2019 asem na me kan yo.
Yeah.
Adeja. Ya di call 2020, ya ni na mu ana 2023. Alan ete no ho mo say ya support ni nti o mo ye free mu ni ade no. Kwade amama adwini mu anti 2024 somewhere September. Ana papa no frame me. Ana o say o kai asem bi a o ka je na me refi mpo. No say o refi say me ka che o say impenifo no be free mu akwakote o mu party.
I see.
Ana me say hey, ade me angasa so make a home free.
I see.
That time I say men ka je impenifo na o mu nto na ntwem na no mfa nye ehun adwuma mo na me say
impenifo me happy impenifo.
Na me say me ye da akwa kasa say mo ya kire obi. We you know. Enti me me fa de say enya se bia so ho na tie no. Me say what say asem o kan ye no. E da na kwam pepepe wo de me hwa de. Some people no mu bedwa say to. Na on say Mose Nyankopon so man so onko ye Israel for no free Misraim no. Nyankopon ka che ne say me Nyankopon me sheda a prim Pharaoh akoma. Oya onja mu ma on say mun koda. Nyankopon angasa sheda primu na akoma. Eti ne esi o mukoko camp no mu no Nyankopon angasa na ahihya to.
No ni ho bi.
Wa hihya de na to. Se ne ebeye. Enti ne ekosi me enye me gwangwa. So ne tie no. But a time will come, people will realize and believe some of the things are ayanieka.
I see. So it means say boyfriend people in that so yeah.
Miana. Oh, Debbie, I am here saying. We've moved on.
I see.
We've moved on.
Yeah.
Yeah, for more.
But in 2 days, other way people question me Musa here.
Ah, Nanya, Omudi di me no. Na my di na me to. Ajawajo. E dey answer that okay. Chese maintenance is keke. So on yet no. Yes. Eti say papa nya hwe a bonenso nya hwe. Aha.
I see.
Eti ya no mo mu fi so o famfiri o. Jimmy for we say okay.
But Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is likely to be the flag bearer and the president of Ghana.
Na me officer me Bible yeden.
I want a big gap.
Officer me Bible yeden.
So
send it from me.
Flag bearer.
Enya me Bible no. Me Bible ni say Onua beba. Because of 100 times or very 100 times.
I want a big gap.
Oh, how?
I want a big gap.
Me na make it no. Say over 100 times. Or bury 100 times. Trust me. Eti anu ne die me atoda na say omo ye ya me say eh dey dey go see. So what say?
I don't know.
Me so bury.
So bad.
And prophet na e kan no.
That's a prophet no to aba. On na ba ye ba.
Oh, just say wo to aba o. Dey nyankopon yi a kire no no wo kan no.
Abato no so ye to na ni so. Ye to no honhom.
Na je bibia be free yi ababia no. I can't say everybody so be an free home never.
So we can 2024 about no. Ye prophet adifo be brave as John Mahama crowd.
Most of them were fake. Most of them were fake. Most of them were following money. Hey, ye na so form omo gada say because of alanche mantinti no. Omo kwa akobo empire e wejo so e de ama Bawumia. Na yesika na no mo pe. Na yesika
asofo ko mo buy one.
Unfortunately, mi ko share ba ko wo Kintampo. Ye ko rounds no, ye duru ho na ohene no baba ko ye o ware.
Okay.
Ana ye ko ho no. Timti osofo no kasa mi na ye sofo yi ni. Eti obo ma me kwan se me ne nkrofo no nkasa. Ana mi omo kasa ye. Mi ka ya sofo no buy statement bi o make am say this is the man. Ye wie na me say wo ni mbegu ase. Me catch no so ohwe me a what the so for be that say o be gina circle was ye ko adwo ye ko ye fasting and prayers me ka nipa bebre hu no sam crofo no eye sika echi na no mudi adon mudi yesa so ne ete no ada bi mo won so a o mo trust nkrofo bi eye enti no o hu se sa nipa na ka se o ye right pe o bon se no so akota achiri eye right so ne ete no. How can Yankupon our born new yasi? Our yen no quaffo. Or be catcher will say near ABC or Ghana. No, Wasaba be catcher me say near war catcher wona ABC no. Wasaba be mammy the opposite side. What be that? What be that? And this is the time where, and Cassie said, yet to me sanitize. Region in this country.
Yeah.
Okay? Ya makwa masofo no bebre sabi. Edin se muhunu okrom ha. Look. Woko kasisi ase asafo entua tax. Sorry no. Enye individual senative no. Sorry no. Say ya make skasi o muntua tax a. Wo de obohu ne sorry ma beye. Meanwhile, wo sorry ba individual no. Utua tax.
Ekomodo.
What would you know? Woko pure water, what your tax was so. Woko we are what your tax was so. Sasikana was a ma a buying NJ tax was so no. Over course of Unifi. Now Rolls Royce, where year 2019, 2020, 2021. The rest of will be fear pa Rolls Royce back 5.
Wow.
Are we not crazy? Are we not crazy? Chese. Obetima to saka at a time, Anna. Look at it. Baku 5. Baku bo. Ebetima set up a business for your church members.
Sure.
So, but why ye? Eti, what do you know? Was ma yentia ma asori no ntua tax wo ho no. Osofo e dey to Rolls Royce. Wo dey to adan akese ana odam ana wo oda empapadan mu. Nyansa be ne wo. Nanso so no senka sorry tuatas kakra e de aboa oman Ghana. Just imagine. Se wutimi nyesika wasafo mutimi kokoto Rolls Royce every year.
Yeah.
Ananka wutua percentage bi e de aboa oman Ghana. Just imagine sikanka yebetimi realize. Ese so no ye jai an yete hu. Ada de ma say yako. Eti ne yake nyina ne say until Alan becomes president no. Nkofo bi ntumunda. Ana share MPP as a party.
Yeah.
Wo ye Ghana ni na wutie me. Na wo ma wo kondo se MPP sa medi o mayi so a. Na wo nim ne ncha Nyankopon de wo ba wiase. Me na me ka show.
Adizia.
Ni o mu de ye o man.
Oh.
Na ke ya to abawie. Ebe ka be say 3 days 4 days amia so in the new president. Na ojafo pam. Wojane? Azani magasi ya gudu. So, akwako pepe bi ate. Na mate obi ni na ho se oye na busiani ada kenofrete nwia 1 cedi. O nwia Ghana 1 cedi. Na nwia 1 cedi awonwane akote.
Na so dika so se na pomo de hunti.
Me seden.
Na pomo de hunti.
Ede
dika because ya tell general so mo no de abono.
O sen.
So mo no de abono.
Tio. Enye so enti ni omukika nyina SMA debe cathedral ne eni omukika genya nti wonti bi
abutrika e be fa no free ha e be che no free from US e be che no free Ghana ha e dey na si Ghana kwan se be kwakofa kenofreta free wonu aba. So if indeed or ekrofo we Ghana sika no e maboyefo a they say to me for the
and yes if indeed is a crop no
because that is the justification
because last na make say one say nature Ghana obi timi jakukuduro no dia boy kro no dia wie sika no dam ho free ni say you are innocent until proven guilty. That statement ni yankwasi statement that statement no e Jimmy statement ya say you say Adwoa laptop ya ajira Jepia na netia say ana laptop ya gira and yes no you Onua abi akwakoche no yes say we innocent until proven guilty and some phone ya chew no we guilty until proven innocent SSN statement no go SSN statement no go you are guilty until proven innocent.
I see.
Eti one say amafo nya sakukuduro no na nipa no is innocent until no mu din semfon wa mu dim say amafo wieska look bia mecha ba ya ye ka de say ezim banker yi
yeah
near attorney general de to abonten no why should you say we are innocent until proven guilty e yan kwasa asem adene ye ka de say pro forma invoice
yeah
no akwa change invoice no no wa ye receipt na wo de akọ na de amosika they ya so mu a yes we are innocent until proven guilty. Are we not sick? Are we not sick? Anuti among for some kind of a say we are nipa no and the court to pronounce na yini ne kaka. Look, let us change that statement. A lawyer for now more you can say a lawyer for grad say be grand go heaven you know.
Let me run for heaven.
Now who said nipa ya wa kunipa mo bia who say wa kunipa.
So what is the
wa nkuno. How can you do that? Wankuno na fe wono ba beche wokọ akani sei wokọ ditro sei eni ne kai ka
ye nka no kro court court ye nka no kro court
emra ne ye ka
ye kamra wo court
na emra ji wo ku se ni pe ye kunipa wo kunipa na ka wo busu ye ni no ku na wo agojira no ma ye sa de na jire no
ye na ebu ni de ya wede ye na ebu obo
eso on de no eye assembly ona ka se o bia sei ya na but assembly ohodom a ye nso so hunsa wahu jetum yes ukunu na ye mpridi say ye beye say ni e kai ka ho e bia be use technique ye nyam na me kunu me hwa obi awusa koi pa na ku nipa no on the ground wa jetum o me pa chew okodu god wa si da bi onifo na lawyer nya kokuduro no defend it because opis kabunu botom. So these are some of the things that I think we need to look at it. Send Nana Bekano. So we are Ghanaian. Yansha said the next 30 years, MPP should not come close to power.
I see. But we saw this question. Throughout the whole of this year, and there political news in the Baya. What's the house? I was like, you were like, how? This is how they will see. This year, what will be, sir?
Oh, next year, Mesri pa yes, Akufo-Addo ka say, Juma wa bono. Ebema omo we need 2028. On it, Mesri sa.
Oh, ade.
Na Juma wa bono. Napo wa nikitawo anamwa. Sana pa wa nikitaro. Someone Power nikitawo. Adwoa bo adwuma. Ana na ujamu. Mayana. So ne de no. Etiade ne de madam fama. Me se kenofori atankwa. O tin se kenofori atabeba kromati. Me se Ghana for emre bia enhye mutim. Monkakai. Look, a man for you so politics the enrich or money or monana.
That's true, yeah.
Obi okrom ha timi kache Ghana for nyina say odene na ni atenti or dictate or move very well. Nonsense. Monana mu nso no Ghana ni mo mudidi ya na no mo jeje Ghana ska CIA for mo muska ni ade. Eti so munya say ska no mo de hwewa. Na che say obi na no do ni koko. The koko no bank say what is so enye bidi boa ne ma. Na Aba State, yes, Coco scholarship. Now, mo na no more influence. You so sad in the femo. Our mono Coco no mundi bino. Uba be jina honum beka in some funze ya. Now what patch saying. So on eteno. Eti, and then I see. Number 2. Say, Bawumia say, oh, what no pet. Ena obetimi awene power ma MPP.
Mama Mistiano. Na Mexicano.
Azie dinge dia kan no. Wasi e kopra konya, won so prestia.
Mama Mistiano.
Ade Cristiano ma o. Won ko techi man. Opa.
O ma de bono wa Cristiano.
Opa on. Ada obehia mo wife bia no. Opa be sa ne say Addo mu dis tia share. Bawumia nsem wo techi man. Dia asem na mekan.
Okay.
Look. Or no, and the bit magic power my MPP. Miss Ray. First and foremost, power no, take it down. Akufo-Addo de mao. Say J that twaso. Ana meboa. Ana kitane say o mentimi ana to ho. Ana John MAHAMA so mu say twitwe. Wo ye den asaba beji. WONTUMI. Look, me say MPP for Nangaza, maybe Anameka, Omunye strategical. Bawumia has been damaged. Just say, or what damaging?
Yes, no.
To condemn state. No crana make a show no.
Ya condemn no cry.
In opposition before MPP won power no.
Yeah.
He was used not by the party per se. Begabi.
But he worked for the party.
Tie. Oh, you soon know because that time the Danko Institute, no, they are organizing lectures. And the some. Yeah,
now lectures for Shatta University.
And Ghana for Babu who said, "Send someone walking in a papa."
Wale.
Hey, throw. I don't go to a prophet. Hey, Onua don't go. Hey, oh, what didn't them? But yes, that's what they are doing. The economy is no. The major from wale.
I don't know you.
Eti economy is obia. Eti awadi adwuma already they are different. This is what we are no. Ama ene was say oba beji to me. Meanwhile, obia ni mu say na ye kan economy so krom ha say dia. Hey, first day we yi mu ye. Dr. Bawumia.
Yeah.
Because obia na What opposition? No one knew how to restore the value of the city.
Yes.
Hey, kika with the anchor hold. Any day kaka Hey, oh boy, say no be so boy say Ghana is shaky. Obiase papa we there.
Onim dio.
Oh, we need let's say Ghana be corner him.
Abe.
Hey. Na Ghana fo nyina nya gidi onumu. Adom koto abanu mano. Afi waba be vice president. And they see who na head of economic management team. Akufo-Addo was truthful to say ono de economics na bamu a onimu.
Yeah.
The senti anu akwakofa Dr. Bawumia. So mamehwe wasi esidi na ye hata. Etu onu na eba mehwe amemu aye du e di amayen. To buy ye no ade no 4 cedis to $1. Afedie o maso a 17 point something. Hey! Afedie chese ade na jinsemu ama Dr. Bawumia who the word economics no did it for baby. Chese on person beti say di no kra.
Enko baby ayesi.
Afedie onim. Esro usu ye aduma our communication honum. Onso omo no IT hunsem no. Omo na ehwe. Digitization omo anaye. Last week aje Esla be say wo aduma wa be ye. Say dien pa na de be kai wo. Because aduma wo ye nyina no. O si Bawumia. Eti dien na de be kai wo. So na je no. Onde etu anu ogyina ho. Omo ahihya di na wie no ye ba be commission no ote ho no commission. Be say even rose kra no. Yeti na ye just agrang go because Ghana rules or we head of no na ye
you can the Ghana can
Eti, are you telling me say atu forcing the Juma wo ye enye wonhwe digitization but aben wo hu so akwa gina ba bi ka digitization esu na Juma wo ya system we ko ye ni ade nyina no is driven by digitization.
Yeah, that's true.
So on yet no etu ka say Bawumia nka economy mo organize here bo de mo fa 5 aspirants ni nyina metra say
oh yeah dey
purely on economics
e wo krum ha
na mo
Oma only economics check
me ka say wo say
only economics
wo de for me no metra say na hwade
only economics check du chum Kpandai for
the theory.
If you gave me 1,000 If you gave me 1,000 interchanges and a Ghana card, I'll choose the Ghana card.
Wash.
Campaign attention. Campaign attention.
Agufo-Addo de awie.
Campaign attention.
How can a Ghana card be valuable more than an interchange? Ebe easy traffic and yes, time is money. What I say? Time is money, no. Obi jina. You fancy faster as anymore. So me more 5 minutes. Me kita 20,000 brother beje. And I would see I say how choku. What did 20 minutes answer? Udru was me quoted that. Usika wenya. Ncheka time is money. Yes said ye ho han ye ni de kai ka ho. It is a wu ye akwan ebe maka setima kontem abantem ye de ne kai ka ho a ye far better than but ono de say one Ghana card valuable. I say 10 interchanges.
If you gave me 1,000 interchanges,
1,000 budget 10.
I'll choose the Ghana card.
Campaign attention.
What I shall do again? 81 was a more per interchanges. What dear or more back crazy or money to cry so I made no say any mom. Was so man 1,000 obey Ghana card. I need to know my Ghana card. So on these are some of the things as a Ghana force no. Now, what should the way Myanmar echo ewo mayimwa me trans studio hanam ka say Fourth Republic in Angasano Nyankopon de che John Fo.
Okay.
Say omuniso. anytime be a John be disobedient.
According to John.
Myanmar air kosuye. Because your first president John, second John, third John, fourth John. Sir, you ever call fifth no?
You call Nana.
You call Nana. You call Nana. So moon say ye dear me pa.
In the Ghana card, I'll choose the Ghana card.
Nana.
And every yo.
Campaign I come slow.
Good one. John, me trust studio haka say 2024 election. John the be winning. Na John only ewu
yeah.
John Mahama and John Tremanti. Omu baako and the president.
I see.
Anna John Mahama abe president.
Mahama ba ma bro nya ba.
Aka the fifth John now beba.
Mahama ba ma bro nya ba. Hooray!
So, let's say anya 4 John so. John Rerun, John Kumah, John Mills, John Mahama. Aka the fifth John. Awo do ba be sili bibia wo Ghana.
They say cry, I can't say the next Nana cry na e hoya. Nana, omo wo contest one e friend Nana wo.
Nana Bawumia.
Omo ba do ye be say am say.
Nana
check out for na ko bo official for Nana Bawumia.
Nana Akufo-Addo. Odo ati se wodo mu nkrofo. Mo di ya. Nana Bawumia. Yo be miao.
Nana de
obe miao bo ni na. Any ade. The senti Adam say the fifth John. John Alankojo Chairman.
Yeah.
Obeba. Na ma hu say David say Johnson dey anya John.
David Johnson dey John.
Ana John ba.
Johnson.
John ba.
Eso fe be na do to me.
Ana okay David Julius anya John.
Julius anya John.
Eto mo ayi o mutini nyina no. Eric anya John. But Omo yi omuti nyina say William nim.
David William.
William nim. Okay.
William.
Yeah. William nim dia.
William na Quebec Ghana for pa.
Ati Joa Lanche mate ye chiao. Ghana for mo mani shemutim. Said the fifth John ebeba. Tom ye hwe.
Your camera did it.
Ati ye hwe said your mabetoto. Ye de me maka. Say near abanyi ya ekoye bia no yen ye support no 100% from now to 2027 ye best support no bibia mu ye re-election year dia omo hu se re-election year mu ye ni omo ye boot for boot so on yet no eti ye ma metena ha emedidi tro ento aban so they say Oshe good board in sensemu ya MPP 4% wo mu create some kind of ye can say the scandal edema ban yi so mu create a en create so we dey no say a whole year and 29
yeah 29
o china chipe 2025 ko
yeah
na ye ntima nya say ni pasmesi wakoye dream we yakwa wie sika we we yakwa dubious contract ya nya bi and you sit down and say then Ghana for any njis Adwoa hu
all right
e dey asa na wo gan enti no media nim say niama ebe totoye but the fifth John there obi ankoso e mompa e ma no na the fourth John so ye mompa e ma no say nyankopon ma na ho de nyansa ni nim there no onkoso a emfa enya yi we want to take over a country just say yemre
yeah
what you say odunti na ye wish doom for this government
okay
odunti ana ye nko against ono so on ye no me ba che omunya abotrema me na me fama no si ayi ye kan say menchia aye microphone achiavi
okay
am say last ayi ana ye kokosi ye hene aye togbi ahuma the third aje say one ne hima mamaga ye chia achia before nyina omo wo enkran ni ade nyina no ye try say menim say bi mo start meeting bi wo Kotoba bi area honum ye be kwa kodwene na next year no ye be try organize a very big homecoming in achia bi honum na ya hwe hawa yɛbɛse atoto nneɛma ama no akɔyie eti last me call I told them be proud of your town.
Absolutely.
Eti na me say no me proud everywhere I go. Me making sure say man for who say yes, this is that chef boy. O jaje. Adia bichi. You say o de o say santini pa. What do you mean by telling me that? Eh? Me baby anyankopon di mi koko free. I didn't know person o say sano. Okay. Okay there no. Jemi. Set to wait pa me say who say you be pa. How will you feel? Media general for yeah must say mama ye kwan ache say yeah etimi ye views in fact mono my idea especially TV3 for so my idea pa I'm say Monday to Friday your mama is sit wo mo de na kakakra mo ya de ba kakakra ya amamre no ne say ye ba betra ha say a project some no na mafo eni adi ha say enti Monday to Friday some man for dey ya ye be call demonstration or media general ya do mu ha say mo asi abo yellow ye ya bo redo yellow
oh yeah all right the day the host that here me da be friend fu ye da ye ba ye ko ba ye betra
me wife say mencha we dey me say mo wase Onua TV mencha mo o ma mo free shapa
yes
wase men ka kira mo say momra shiashi na moma meto no ko fine washing powder bi na modi tutu ha no ko fine washing powder no ko fine washing powder momra na mometo bi no na modi beye mo bi wa ha say ye wode ye all white watade ya shey enye washing powder bia na esa odisi all white ni ade
that's it
Adwoa ye da mo ase
yes that's